Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome to all of you in my another new video tutorial or video lecture. In this video lecture, I will try to discuss about isometric drawing, how to read isometric drawing or how to interpret isometric drawing. Especially whoever working is engineering field and piping side. Every day we are using this type of drawing. Sometimes we got confusion how we read this type of drawing and how to interpret perfectly this type of drawing. I will try to discuss in this video tutorial or video lecture. I will try my best to explain to you how to read isometric drawing or how to interpret isometric drawing. I will request to all of you, please watch this video without escape any single point. Then you can learn something from this video. And I will request all more things. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you think this video tutorial is useful for you and your friend, please don't forget to share, like, and you must write some comments in comment section. How was this video or how was this video tutorial? I am requesting to you, please give your feedback. Okay, let's start today video tutorial. This video tutorial I given the name is how to read isometric drawing. So how we read or how we interpret isometric drawing, these are the things I will try to discuss in this video as much as possible. Okay, first of things we will know what is the isometric drawing. So isometric drawing is an isometric allow the designer to draw an object in 3 dimensions. So we can say very simply, isometric drawing is the 3-dimensional drawing. Wherever you can see the 3 dimension is there. Then isometric drawing are also called isometric projection. So in isometric drawing, what are the information is available? I will show you now. Okay. First of things we can see in this corner. This is called the this part called the title box. In this title box written have the project name. Here was the one project name. Then production block or compartment, that means location. If you use your drawing, you can see there have written on location or specific location is there. So this is the production block or compartment name, or you can say the location. Then line number, what is the line number for this pipe? So this is the line number. Then pipeline level, so in level what will be the written is there. Then spool number, in this drawing spool 1, spool 2, spool 3, spool 4, spool 5, spool 6. So in this point I tell you one more things. Normally we are calling the isometric drawing and spool drawing. So spool drawing is the single spool is single pages showing, that is actually we are called the spool drawing. If so many spool is together in one sheet, that is we calling the iso drawing actually. But iso drawing can be the single spool in single page also. This for all information. Then the arrangement drawing reference number, this is the arrangement drawing for this spool drawing. Then spool drawing number, then iso page number. So this is the second page, so sheet on of 1. Then treatment, what type of treatment will be there? So cleaning, here writing the cleaning. The revision number, so this isometric drawing revision number is 0 and piping class is 3. So this the basic information is mentioned in title box. Second things is on top of this we can see the some general notes. So this the general notes. I will request to you, please if you want to read this, please pause the video and you can read from here. Okay, we will go to the next point. Okay, so we see already there the 6 spool. So spool 1 we can see from here, spool 1, spool 2, SP means spool. then spool 3, spool 4, spool 5 and spool 6. So 6 spool is here. Okay, then we will see in this corner, left corner here, this is the called the bill of material, that means material details is here. So in this drawing we are seeing the fabrication material and erection material. So here showing the separately, this is the material we need the during fabrication stage. So this is called the fabrication material, and erection material, this the material we need during erection stage. So if we get this material in our hand, so we can start the fabrication. Okay, what are the information here is the point number 1, 2, 3. What is the meaning of 1, 2, 3? And erection material showing 4, 5, 6. What is the meaning? Okay, let's see this one we will see from pipe. This box we can see the box, this is the 1, then we can see from here 1, 1, 1. So this 1 means this one. So 1 means ASME the B36.10 pipe seamless bevel in schedule 20 STM A106 grade B. So this 1 is meaning, so here have the one pipe, this pipe is ASME B36.10 pipe, seamless pipe, and schedule is the 20 and pipe grade is STM A106 grade B. So I hope you understand. Wherever we see this inside box is 1, that is mean this 1. So this item is this item. Okay, clear? I hope clear this point. Then we see the here 2. So we will find the 2. 2 means what? 2 is the fittings. So ASME B16.9 elbow 90 degree LR long radius bevel in buttock schedule 20 STM A234 WPB seamless. So this 2 we find where is the 2. So this 2 means we will find this 2 is where is available. So here have any flange have or not, we will check. Sorry, the fittings. So this is the elbow, so we can see here is the 2. I hope you are seeing my cursor. So I check here. Okay, this 2. So this 2 means this elbow. So wherever have the 2, we can find out this elbow. Okay, I hope you understand. Then third point is 3, supports penetration. So what is the support? We can see the S3, S3, S3. So this the meaning is support and penetrate, supports penetration. So penetration type supports is here available. So we can see from here penetration, 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 penetration. So these are the things mentioned in 3. So this is the details for penetration. Then we go to the erection material. Erection material we can see here is the 4 is the pipe support. So PS31 4101. So this is the pipe support symbol. So we can see from here S4, this is the pipe support. So HL01 PS31 4101. So this support number is here mentioned. So in this drawing whatever support have, these things also mentioned in bill of material inside. I hope you understand. Then we go to the number 5. 5 is special support. This is also support. So you can see there's 5. So this is the special support is here. So special supports. Then 6 is the NB non-tight slip. So you can see the 6 where have okay 6. This is the non-watertight slip. So this one also the non-watertight slip. So for slip details we have to refer the standard for your information. Then S6 is the non-watertight slip. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of this PT number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same things is drawing also mentioned. So we have to check what the mention in drawing and what is the description in bill of material. Then this is also the size, nominal size. What is the nominal size? Then quantity, white material code here is mentioned. Same things also the here also mentioned. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of bill of material and how we cross check with the ISO drawing and this bill of material details. Okay, next point we will go to the below. So cut pipe length. In this point showing the cutting pipeline. So here also showing the 1 2 3 4 5. So uh, this type of on wire have, so we can see from here on. So this pipe cut length will be 1018 mm. So this is the pipe cut length. Then 2 also the 474. So this is the pipe cut length. So we can see from here 1 2 3 4, and we can see from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this the here showing the pipe cut pipe length. So for fabrication we have to cut the pipe is separately, so we can follow this chart and we can cut initially, then we can start the fabrication. Then this is the pipe size, the in preparation. What will be the in preparation? Here is the mention bevel inch. So bevel inch. So then here writing the PE, the plane end. So this pipe cutting or end will be the plane, and other one will be the BE, means bevel end. So pipe end will be the bevel. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of cut pipe length. Then we will go to the joint information. We can see from here the joint information. So here have the joint number 1 2 3 1 to 11. Then pipe size, weld, what type of will be there, part weld, and what is the stage for welding. So if we see the EJ, that means this is the erection joint. If we see the SJ, this is the shop joint. So spool number, what will be the spool number for this welding? For example, spool 1 we have the 4 joint, spool 2 we have the 3 joint, spool 3 we have the 8 joint, 8 9. So these the things is mentioned in joint information. Okay, how we track this number in Isometric, I will show you now. So joint number 1 so this is the joint number 1. This one will be the erection joint, connection with another line. So this is the line number. Then joint 2, this is the shop joint, pipe to elbow. Then joint 3, elbow to pipe. Joint 4 is the pipe to pipe, erection joint. Then joint number 5 is the shop joint. So you can see from here also same information is here. So joint 4 is the erection joint, joint 7 is the erection joint. I hope you understand how we track the joint information. This list, how we cross check with our drawing. So if here written and here written is different, then we have to give the comments, or we have to correct it as per ISO drawing. So this joint information. So this portion for the joint information, I hope you understand how we find out this joint information by this control box. Then then I will go to the another point in this drawing. Then we can see from here the some penetration joint. So P4, P4, P3, P2, P1, this is the penetration joint. So here have the penetration joint details is there, NB250, then non-tight SL port down. So these the things is penetration. So we have to check the standard also, what non-tight SL penetration, what is the penetration is there. So these the things is for penetration. Then I will go to the next point. So we can see from here, we can see this box inside. We can see here I have the joint details, what is the meaning of BW. So we can see from here writing have BW, EJ, SJ. So which one, what is the meaning? These the things here they elaborate. So BW means butt weld, SW socket weld, FL flange joint, CP compression joint, CGP complete joint penetration, THR threaded, SOB branch weld, SOF slip on joint, FW fillet weld, SJ shop joint, and EJ erection joint. So here the joint abbreviation they given, what is the meaning of what type of joint. So I hope understand this point also. Okay, we will go now next point. So in this box inside we are seeing some symbol. So this symbol meaning what? This symbol meaning the what type of joint of there. If we see this type of joint, so this is meaning the shop weld. Then if you see cross and dot is field weld. So this is the field weld or erection weld, whatever we are called. Then this is the meaning of tag weld. If in drawing the showing this type of symbol, then we will say this is the tack weld, then socket weld, screw connect joint, compression joint, side connection, then pipe support, legend pipe and trace pipe. So these the simple for these the symbol are used in isometric drawing to identify what type of joint is there. So for example, I am showing you here. So this is the cross, so you can see from here this is the cross, so this is the erection joint. Then we see the normal dotted, yes, this is the 5, so joint number 5 is the shop weld, so this is the shop weld. So during fabrication we are doing the joint, and during erection stage we are doing the joint. So these the things is this box inside they are mentioned. Okay, next point we will go in this corner, the drawing right corner. We can see here is the some information is here. In this corner showing this pipe under design pressure, what is the design temperature, maximum or minimum degree Celsius. So this is the maximum and minimum 5 and 10 degree Celsius. Then design pressure, then bar 3.5 11 bar, this is the bar. Then test pressure, normal bars 5.25 or 16.5. Then test medium here not mentioned, but some cases we will see here the test medium water or oil or air, whatever things here is mentioned. The NDT class, what is the piping class or NDT class, this, so this is the class 3 piping or NDT class piping 3, class 3 piping. So in this pipe any PWST required or not, so here keep the blank, sometime mention the some yes or no, so here keep the blank, so not required for this pipe. So visual inspection, yes, so we have to perform for this all the joints is visual inspection. The specification for this drawing specification is SE21M. So this is the carbon steel piping, chemical cleaning not required, they here keep the blank. Then paint system or color also information is not here, but sometime we can see here have the information is available. Okay, this is the this ISO drawing design criteria is mentioned here, and inspection also. So I hope you understand this point also. Then we will go to the another one, direction. So this box actually mention the direction. So up, forward, starboard and port. So this is the one ship drawing, ship ISO drawing. So here I have the up, forward, starboard and PS. I will try to discuss in my next video tutorial how we will identify this drawing going to where. So this video already I think already more longer, I think you are also feeling the bore. So one more things I will highlight to you here only. So these the things is this corner we can see the printed date, what is the was the printed date 17 December 2018. So these the common things or basic things we have to check in ISO drawing. I think this drawing is the good example for all of you to how to read isometric drawing. So we can see in isometric drawing all these the information is available. So I hope if you watch this video fully, and I think you also you already watch this video full, so I hope you learned something from this video tutorial. I will request to all of you again, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you think this video is important for you or useful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and must you give your feedback by comments. Today today I want to close this video lecture. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.